Hi Year 9, I'm here to talk to you about Textile Design Gcse. Textile Design is a strand of the Art and Design Gcse. Because of this, you cannot pick the Textile Design Gcse and any of the following subjects because they are part of the same qualification. This is 3D design, fine art and photography. So just to clarify, you cannot pick textile design alongside fine art, for example, as they are under the same GCSE specification and you'd only end up with one GCSE. You can, however, pick food technology or food preparation and nutrition in combination with any of these subjects. So you could do food preparation, nutrition and textiles, for example, as your GCSE options. So what is textile design about? It's about responding to a theme given to you and trialling new things. It's about learning to become a confident designer and how to work with fabrics and create something exciting. It's an ability to explore different areas of design which you might be interested in. It's learning how to use computer-aided design programs such as Illustrator and Photoshop. And it's producing responses to ideas and concepts. So you get to do loads of different creative things and really take your own path in your creative journey. Over the course, you will study art textiles, fashion design and illustration, costume design, constructed textiles, printed and dyed textiles, surface pattern, stitch and or embellished textiles, and digital textiles. This list isn't exhaustive, so there are plenty of other things you can study within this, or there may be an area that you want to specialise in more, so you may investigate that a little bit more. So, the exam breakdown for Textile Design GCSE. There are two main assessments and you have to complete both of these assessments. Component 1 is a portfolio. So you'll begin creating your portfolio at the start of Year 10 and you'll be producing loads of work focusing on different themes and briefs and concepts to be able to take you on your creative journey. You will need to evidence initial engagement with the themes and realise your intentions as well. So demonstrate, where are you going with this? Why do you want to create this? Component 1 is worth 96 marks. It's 60% worth of your GCSE and it's marked by your teachers, and then someone external from AQA comes in and moderates our work, so says, yeah, we think they got that about right. Component 2 is an externally set assignment. So you'll respond to your chosen starting point from the externally set assignment, so it will be given to us by the exam board and you will choose in which direction you want to take that. You'll have a prep period in which you can create bits of work, plan about what you want to be able to make, and then you'll have 10 hours of supervised time to be able to create this final outcome. So it'll be different for all of you. You'll all be looking at different things, but that 10 hours will be supervised time with your teacher, focusing solely on that piece of work, like an exam. This is worth 96 marks as well, but it's 40% worth of your GCSE. And again, this is marked by the school, so by us teachers here at Gcse High, and then someone external from AQA will come in and mark the work and check that the teachers have got your grades right. So, why should you choose textile design? Any of you who know me know that I love textiles. I absolutely think it's incredible. But here are some things that I feel like should appeal to you and help you understand why you may want to do this. If you love clothing and fashion and you can see the importance of fashion in today's society, if you're interested in exploring sustainability and to see how we become more unsocially conscious designers, if you enjoy working with fabrics and textures to create interesting designs and products, and if you enjoy drawing, designing, making links and looking at the work of other designers. So you really get to explore through this course and see loads of different examples of pieces of work, be inspired by it, take that inspiration and take it on to somewhere new. So why is this subject relevant? 1 in 11 jobs in the UK are within the creative industries. So that's massive. 1 in 11 jobs. And fashion is the UK's largest creative industry. So if you have a degree in textile design, you've already got a bit of a shoe-in into one of those creative careers. One of my favourite quotes is, "Fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live, what is happening. That was said by Coco Chanel, and I don't think it could be more relevant to how we're living today. Fashion is so around us in every way, shape and form, so being able to explore this further and really develop your understanding of it would be such an exciting experience. The fashion industry has grown by 21% in the past 3 years, so it's an absolutely booming industry. And there are so many avenues that you could explore if you're interested in a career in fashion. The sky literally is the limit. Careers that fashion could lead to include working in television and theatre, working for yourself, so being self-employed as a designer or a seamstress, for example, working for retail stores, so that could be selling the clothes, it could be being a visual merchandiser in the store, it could be looking at how things are sold by customers or sold to customers and what kinds of things they find appealing. You could be working for high-end fashion houses, so the big, massive designers that we all know about, working in interior design, working in the science industries, creating new fabrics, working in commercial industries such as hospitality or motor industries, so looking at hotels, what are their sofas made of, what are their carpets made of, in cars, what are their seat belts going to be made of, working in schools, colleges or universities. I obviously have to give a shout out to teachers. And then any creative job that requires for you to problem solve, research, design, be innovative, be original, and every other skill that you learn by doing a creative subject for Gcse. So, before you choose textile design, there are 5 key questions that I'd like you to ask yourself before you pick the subject. These ones are ones that might be a bit hard to answer or a bit hard to be honest about, but if you can honestly answer yes, absolutely to them, I think you'll be really well in textile design. So, are you willing to dedicate at least 3 hours per week extra on your studies outside of the classroom? Are you passionate about design and fashion? Do you enjoy working with different materials and mediums, so pencils, chalks, inks, paints? Do you consider yourself a creative person? And do you view mistakes as creative opportunities rather than failures? If your answers are yes to all of those, please consider doing fashion. You'll really enjoy it. My final roundup is a gathering of thoughts from the Year 10 students who are currently studying textile design. So I went round and I just asked them on the playground, why did they choose textile design? Why do they think that you should choose textile design? They said, because you get to explore different techniques. If you enjoy making things, it's the perfect subject for you. And because it teaches you key skills which can be used in industry and help you get jobs. If you are interested in textile design, please do come and let me know. I can always offer you advice or extra help. I'm always here for extra questions. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.